There's a car reverse camera, and the question is this a fisheye lens? It was advertised as a 170-degree lens, but it should see almost to the right and almost all the way to the left, but it's not seeing that. How do you know if it's a fisheye lens, 170 degree or not? Well, in order to look all the way to the right and all the way to the left, you would need a lens that would be rounded outside, and through that lens the light can get in and then into the sensor, and from the left also and into the sensor. But this is not rounded outside, but it's rounded inside. As you can see, my finger enters. So if you see such a lens, then you know that that will not be wide angle at all. This is almost 90 degrees. The field of view is not 170 as it was advertised. Of course, in the advertisement, the picture did not look like this. The lens was not to the inside, but to the outside. But in reality, it is the opposite. The glass is concave, and the final image is not wide angle at all. Comparison, here's an FPV camera. It's an old one. This is not 170 degrees, but around 150 degrees. But look at the glass, it's rounded outside, so it's logical that the light can come, let's say, from the left into that glass, and from there it can enter onto the sensor. But if the glass does not stick out like this one, then how should it enter? It will be blocked by the frame. The taller this roundness, the better the light can enter into that glass. This is much wider because the glass is outside, it's rounded up, but this is less wide angle because the glass is rounded the opposite direction, inside. This provides a narrow field of view, and that provides a wide field of view.